after receiving this or seeing the communication from Facebook, usisi athi critical and I felt ukuthi it's very important for me to respond promptly so that at least ngikhona ukuthi mangabe khona engakwenza ukuchecka iservice ne-quality abantu abayithola i-community alayithwathu. So hence I responded ukuthi ngizocheck ukuthi kwenzakala ini. Yabona. I think one is angisho njengoba ngokhansela ngihlala na ku-oversight futhi i-committee kuma-clinic kamasipala to oversee i-performance and ne-service enikezwa abantu bethu yabo. So and one is for us as the oversight committee ukuthi abantu engisebenza nabo siqhubeke ngokuchecka equal service enikezwa abantu bakithi. And yes, it's true, there are a lot of cases kade yakhulunywa ngePhilip Moyo ukuthi iPhilip Moyo abantu bakhala ukuthi abatholi service right yabo, long waiting hours and all that. And then this actually is my second intervention. One time ngeke ngabuza ku-staff ukuthi kwenzakalani. One of the things kade bakhala ngayo bekuyi shortage ye staff ebusuku yabo. But today mangifika it was something different ukuthi i-staff sikhona lesibe sikhona, though akusi number 10 but the number that was able to save abantu. Ngenile ngabulisa wonke umuntu we-security because nabo bala for to provide the safety, and then ngase ngiyaqela ukuthi hayi no ngizochecka la because ngizobathi kune queue and the line imile abantu abatholi service. So ngabuza omunye wabahlali washo ukuthi no yena uhamba nonkosikazi wakhe uphakathi yabona unkosikazi wakhe seka-serviwe yabo seka-serviciwe. And then I went through ngathola nomama ongitshela ukuthi ayinaye uselayinini, and then nomunye usisi uhamba nengane yakhe osho ukuthi ulinde ambulance, and then kwaba khona nomfowethu lo oguga umntwana naye washo ukuthi no seka-serviciwe just yena ulinde manje ini ukuthi umntwana abe right. I think umntwana bekashisa yabona. Yeah, mara seka-serviciwe. Just there were 4 people outside those 2 engikhuluma ngayo akade balinde ukungena phakathi, abantwana abayi-2 and then nabantu abadala abayi-2. Then mangena phakathi lapha ku-emergency room ngitholile ke ama-officials bekhona. I think there were 5 inside if I'm not mistaken, there were 5, and then bekhona abantu kade umuntu kade asemntwini yabo ngaphakathi. Not yet khani ngizoresponda kuye manje ngimtshele ngimfeedback ukuthi I came, and then no find out from kuye ukuthi lento yenzeke nini yabo, because the sithombe abanginikeze sona sikhuluma nge4 hours ago yabo. I think that was abo 9 4 hours ago yakhona bekuabo 9 shaka yeah 4 hours ago yakhona bekuabo 9 yabona. Mangithunyelele leso sithombe leso ukuthi that please go and check and assist, so then that's when I jump yabo ngizala. So and ngenzeke lento yenzeke ngama-5 or yenzeke ngabo-6, I don't know the time, but it's very important that I communicate no sisi ngizwe ukuthi kwenzakala ini. But we want to work with the community ekutheni basize nabo nakula ma-box akhona la bakhona ukukhomenta, then isikhona ukuthi senza kanjani. But I think in the province now you must also assist us in terms of giving ensuring ukuthi kune capacity enough, more especially ku human resource yabona ukuthi nabantu mabafolile la bangalindi isikhathi eside yabona.